This is a review of the Thermacell rechargeable mosquito repeller, and I'm going to show you how it is to be set up. I just plugged it in. This is what it looks like when it's charging. So first you just remove the cap, and it's really simple. It's a magnet, so you just grab right here and pull up. Then you take the repellent, unscrew the top, and then just place it in here. Replace the lid. And if you are going to be moving the unit around, not just like sitting in your backyard, but let's say like for us, we're going to take it with us when we go camping, keep the lid, and then you can put the lid back on in between using it, and you don't have to worry about it spilling. Till you get where you're going, put it back in and unscrew the lid. So now we're going to press the power button, and it says it will make a sound like an ascending tone. And so there was your the ascending tone. The circling pattern of lights means it's heating up, which takes just a few minutes, and then all the lights will be solid, letting you know that it's ready. And it takes about 15 minutes for the zone of like effectiveness to be set, to know that it's been repelling mosquitoes and you can sit out there safely. And then you should place your device in the center of the area you're sitting in, unless it's windy, in which case you would place it upwind. So we've been sitting out here a while now, no mosquito bites, and I can't wait to take it on our camping trips. I'd highly recommend it.